Okay, I recently just finished fixing my intake manifold gasket, and I'm actually holding on so I need more light. Okay. Yeah, I was just fixing the intake manifold. I had an intake manifold, lower intake manifold leak, which is like right under all this stuff. Okay, I don't have the serpentine belt all the way. The alternator is not secure, but its plugs are on. I don't know if you can see it from here. Just the plugs right quick. Grounding wire and the orange connector. Then, sorry for the camera movement, but hold on. There is this sensor. It's purple. I don't know if you can see it on that camera or not. This one right here. I don't know where that goes, and I was going to do that. And this is a 97 Malibu LS V6. Then there's this long sensor right here. I don't know where this goes either. Has a little metal clip. Kind of rusty. Fuck out to there. Hit my hand. Alright. Now, I will say it's not secure, but I am seen this car around better days. Other than that, hoses are back in place. Oil's been changed. Spark plugs have been restored. Air hose and all that other stuff's been on. Now, before I took this car apart, it still ran. Everything was working fine, but I tried to start it a couple minutes ago, and I'll show you what I got here just in a moment. This is what I got. Actually, that one's Bluetooth battery not being on all the way. Okay, as you can see and hear, the car is on. So it is getting some kind of power. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and try to crank her up. That right there is all I get from it. It's that little bit right there. I don't know what's causing it to do that. I don't know if it's because the alternator is not secure, or well, the plugs are in the right places, or am I missing some hose clamps? Something not bungeed down properly. Seeking in which, yeah. But I don't know. I need your help. If you could help me, please, I'd appreciate it. And thanks.